Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's create a very simple orange eye makeup look today. This one is inspired by today's Navratri color. So after applying concealer and loose powder to my eyelids, I am applying a skin color eyeshadow as my base. Taking an orange color in a pencil brush, I am just making a guideline to where I need to put the color. So use your pencil brush and try to fill in the color on your eyelids. Now take a blending brush and take little time in blending. Blend it softly. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm depositing the colors on the corner. I'm filling it wherever I want it, but I have left my eye socket near my eyeball. I'm again filling in the color properly. You can keep the intensity as much as you want. I do not want it to be so much orangey, so I'm just taking the little bit amount. Now I will again blend it properly to avoid any harsh lines. Now you can take any gold shimmer shade, but luckily I had an orangey shimmer shade which I'm depositing in the center where we have not applied any orange shade. You can also use a golden shimmer. The shimmer which I'm using is from the Swiss Beauty palette. You can leave the eye look as it is if you want your orange to pop, but I wanted to apply eyeliner, so I have applied eyeliner and I'm putting in a very light black kohl kajal. You can apply a nude kajal as well. मैंने बहुत थोड़ा काजल लगाया है. Now I'm using the same pencil brush and the orange shade and I'm applying it near my lash line, lower lash line. I'm using the pencil brush because मुझे सिर्फ थोड़ा सा hint देना है of the orange color. That's why I'm using the pencil brush. Finishing my look with mascara. This is how I created the simple orange eye makeup look. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए, please consider subscribing. Thank you.